everyone! Welcome back to Happy Art for Kids. Today we're coloring this cute Santa Claus. We'll be using bright markers and lots of glitter. Look at how cute Santa turned out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.